Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you're looking for a new modern desk lamp, this video just might be for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, could you do a little overview on our, I would say modern, but highly customizable as far as the shape, what it can do, what it can reach, colors and all that stuff. Who am I to say no? But in no way whatsoever this being provided to me affect this review because I am just here to keep it real. Some cool things about this lamp, as you can see mounted right now. I'll show you how it's mounted here in a sec. But it's on an arm. This arm is completely flexible, but it's not like flimsy flexible. As you can see there, it's not shaking. It's just something you move into a position and then it stays. It's all LEDs and lights up very, very bright. I would say this is in the Kelvin range of 3,000 kelvins all the way up to about 5,500 kelvins. Now, the cool part about this, it also comes with a remote and you can control it right here on the actual shaft, if you will, of the actual lamp. There's an on and off switch that's right there. It goes on and off very easily. Then you have some color options, so you can dim it down like that, dim it up. You can also adjust the different colors. So the color can go from more of a soft white to a bright white, like you can see there, which is really that Kelvin spectrum. It also has two timer settings. So if you want to kind of set it, forget it, and it'll just automatically turn off, you can adjust it from a 10-minute wait to about a 40-minute wait just by tapping it here. What's also really cool and helpful is that it does come with a nice remote. The remote has all these different presets on here. So for example, this would be considered a computer mode color. There is this color. So you could just instantly go to the preferred color you like, just with the click of a button. It has like a reading lamp, gaming color. There's your timer, so you can set the time there. It also has so this button right here is sort of a night light. So click that, it gets it really dim, but it's still illuminated just to kind of give you sort of an illuminated effect over maybe an office, but not too bright. Just a whole bunch of very cool, easy to use settings. The arm on this total length is probably close to all the way to the tip, all the way to the base table is probably close to 4 feet. And then this section here, I'd say is closer to about 30 inches, all the way from here to here. That actually gives you some flexibility. I mean, it can be doing a whole bunch of cool stuff. So from a mounting standpoint, you can see here it has a clip mount, and you have about 3.5 inches from here to here to be able to spin this on and lock it in place. The extension cord on here is right at about 6 feet long. So the construction of this is very good. You have a aluminum kind of hard structure for the mounts. The top of this is all metal. Then there's some silicone, and then there is some ABS plastic that's included in that. The lifetime rating on these lights is right at about 50,000 hours. So hopefully this answered any and all questions you have about this very cool modern desk lamp, and we'll talk to you soon.